to lot that being part of this kind of beautiful journey, and do come to this and this August kind of this milestone achievement. Let's do come.
Wait.
So first of all, my pranam and gratitude to all my family अजय मेंसन कहते हैं, and वो एजुकेशन के साथ वो कोशिश करते हैं मैं बेस्ट पढ़ाई करूँ। अगर हम करते हैं तो 20 से 40 की जो जर्नी है, इससे स्ट्रगलिंग जर्नी जो कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग होता है, हर एक चाइल्ड हो, हर एक जो वो एम्प्लॉई हो या बिजनेसमैन है, कोई भी हमारे कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग होता है। उस बीच में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस भी आते हैं, अप एंड डाउन भी आते हैं। तो 20 to 40 में वो इम्पैक्ट हो गया इन टर्म्स ऑफ मतलब स्केलेबिलिटी इन द मार्केटिंग हो गया, स्ट्रैटेजी हो गया, ऑपरेशनल क्या बेसिस तो वी ट्राई टू इंटेंट फॉर द बिट बाय द आई मेंशन दैट वन मोर शेयरहोल्डर्स हैविंग मोर देन 4-5 कंपनी मोर देन 20 years into Singapore। सो ऐसे व्यक्ति को जब हम आपका इंटेंशन अच्छा होता है ना, आपके साथ बहुत बेहतरीन बेचना हमें मतलब प्रॉब्लम भी आपको वैसे ही लोगों से जोड़ते हैं।
I've seen this distributor journey। तो अभी 10 साल मैंने एज अ देख सकता हूँ कि रेगुलेटर की तरफ से मैंने कंपनीज को देखी हुई। तो जितनी भी कंपनीज की ग्रोथ हुई, इवन एज अ IFA एक राजेश सुदानी कैपिटल करके इनसे डिस्कस कर रहा था, वो मैंने लिस्टिंग की ऑलमोस्ट 1.5-2 साल पहले।
ग्रोथ तो करूंगा ही करूंगा नो डाउट, लेकिन उसको हेजिंग करने के लिए मेरा बैलेंस एडवांटेज काइंड ऑफ करने के लिए, तो बैलेंस एडवांटेज जबकि डेट म्यूचुअल फंड आल्सो नॉट डिलीवर्ड गुड, क्योंकि बॉन्ड प्राइस में अगर अभी यूएस ट्रेजरी का बढ़िया प्राइस है, तो इसीलिए वो बोलते हैं भाई यहाँ पे महंगा मार्केट पे आपका प्राइस भी नहीं है, बढ़ नहीं रहा है इतना, डॉलर का करेंसी इन्फ्लुएंस मतलब फ्लक्चुएशन है। तो अभी 95, 98 बीच में 96, 97 तक भी गया था, डॉलर गया था क्रूड प्राइस।
Myself Kuldeep Singh, Director of Nataraj Rodas Private Limited. So today we have gathered here for a shareholder meet for RB's Wealth. Director of RB's Wealth is Mr. Viranchi Sarangi, and we are associated him with since 2022. And today it was the second shareholder meet, and apart from first meet, today we came to know that RB's is going to have a skyrocket in the shares, and now he's going to announce for he's going to dilute again 4% share, and in this 2% will be foreign investment.
So experience, this is the first time I attended RB's Wealth board meeting or AGM, and this is excellent. The kind of passion, the kind of energy, the kind of enthusiasm that I could see with the promoter, founder, Mr. Viranchi, as well as all the participants here. It's wonderful. This is the start, and I am sure, and I wish RB's Wealth is going to achieve all the heights.
And very success rate काफ़ी अच्छी है, and we have very the best compliments for Viranchi Sarangi ji.
No, thank you very much for calling me. This is the first time I'm meeting in this kind of a setup where there are shareholders, there are clients, there are valued customers in presence, and we talk about business. But our association started as a family. I think that's now long way more than a decade back, and that has grown into business and kind of the kind of partnership what we have. So I am truly honored. I have understood more about the company, how things work for me as a business, as an individual, and how I can contribute. It's like a compounding effect that an entrepreneurship or a being in businesses has vis-a-vis when you are working for some other company. So I'm really honored. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The strategic lead and brand ambassador of our company Arbis Wealth Private Limited. So how you are feeling and what is your sir, view about the company, faith, trust, compassionate and generosity and all those things, please?
Firstly, thank you for just inviting me and be a part of this your shareholder meeting. In this journey, just and I saw that how your growth, Arbis International growth journey, I am totally impressed and like I want to be a part of that. And of course, immediately I am going to start with this Arbis journey, and we'll see. We'll work together.
Just introduce yourself and just tell the journey what we have started at this 10 years back and just 4 years back we have incorporated the company, and what you have seen 2 years before and 2 years from now, from the time of the dilution and equity deployment and now today. What is your feelings and emotions and belief and strategically what is your thinking right and what is your experience and all that?
Yeah, I'm Rajkumar, management consultant and independent director. I've been associated with Arbis Wealth for the last almost 3 years, helping them to restructure the company on financial manpower side and gave them the insights for their expansion. Now, so for the growth trajectory is concerned, what I have seen, what they have presented, I think they have come out very well. What they say, what they preach, they mean it. And the growth trajectory is phenomenal. Maybe the way he has, led the company from the front, and his passion, his dedication about the company and his commitment towards the shareholders and stakeholders is commendable.
Hi, I'm Janvi Bediye, and actually I'm from a different industry, but I have been invited by Viranchi sir here, and the event was quite insightful, and I learned about the financial services, and the advice which he gave was very knowledgeable, and thank you sir for inviting.